Just leaving camp. Just trying to squeeze through a gate that I hope doesn't rip up my stuff. It didn't. Yay. Camp was way over there where that light is. And I'm just following the trail, which I need to check the map, I guess. Even though there's a post right up there. Just came from down there. Climbing up this little hill. Oh, see the next sign? Up there, it's pretty small. Especially in the camera, you can barely see it at all. But it's there. Wow. You can see Lordsburg. Cool. This way. Wow, so beautiful. Wow. Climbed around that peak yesterday. Good morning. It's the morning of day 5. I slept until 5:30, but was still out of camp by like 6:05. Oh, it feels so nice out this morning, like just the way the sun is rising and the landscape. Everything is just, it's been the first morning where I felt like that feeling of like belonging out here and just like receiving from this way of life. So yeah, I feel really thankful for that, because so far it has been a lot of just remembering how painful everything is like every single day, and not to like complain or, you know, but I just dealt with a lot of foot pain on the PCT, and you know, I'm gonna try to get some insoles, see if there's some KT tape things that I could do to help the bottom of my feet, and try to be a little bit more, I mean, I've been stretching and massaging them a lot, but I think there's more that I can do, including lower mileage days and just letting that be okay. Figuring out how to make that work with the water carries and everything. Here, I'll give you this view while I chat, because it's much prettier than my going to town. I haven't showered in days look. Yeah, so it's just nice to remember that feeling and to feel it, like to feel like, oh yeah, this feels natural, this feels right, you know, and just really thankful for that. We heard some barking dogs last night, different times, at least I did. I haven't talked to the other hikers about it yet, but yeah, there was a lot of barking dogs, and it sounded like some walking around, and I think that we were kind of camped near the side of the road where there's a maybe like a border patrol office or something like that. So there seemed to be kind of a lot of that kind of activity. So it makes you nervous to get out of your tent. It made me nervous. So I didn't get the best sleep, but I definitely slept probably the best out of the few nights I've been out here. So that was good. I think kind of getting used to, and it was like slightly chillier, but I'm getting used to it not being that cold, and I get kind of hot underneath my 20-degree enlightened equipment quilt, which is a bummer. It's like, I usually feel so cozy and I just love going to bed, but now it's like I'm just hot at night. So yeah, okay, where is the next post? Oh, over there. I think, yeah. Isn't this so beautiful? Just like so still. There's a little bunny. I've seen like 3 jackrabbits over the past few days, but this is just a normal bunny, I think. Probably dart out. Cutie. Where are you? Huh. Okay. There's a giant hole down here. Don't know what it was from. Neat. Still making my way into town. Almost there. I don't know where the next post is, but oh yeah, way up there on that hill. There it is. So beautiful. It's almost 8. The cloud cover is really thick and nice. I still have my puffy on, which is crazy. So yeah, super nice. In town, I think I'm staying at the Econolodge, which they give like a $20 discount to CDT hikers, so I think it's like $60-something a night. I'm gonna see if I can check in early so I can kind of have a home base, and then if their washer and dryers aren't working, I'll wash clothes at the Motel 6. I think it's like $5 for everything, so I'll do that. I need to resupply for the next section. I also need to figure out how long the next section is to Silver City, and I want to go through the food I didn't eat and the food I did eat, and I'll probably do a little clip of that, showing like exactly what I ate this week, and because I have a full day left that I haven't even opened, so I'll be able to share from what I ate, basically, and what I didn't eat, and if that's at all interesting or helpful. So I'll probably resupply between the Family Dollar and the grocery store, because I hear that the Family Dollar has more hiker things, and I haven't been in there yet, so we'll see. I want to obviously dump my trash and kind of organize my pack, but also finish editing these videos. Like at night after I give the last little update, I've been piecing them together in iMovie, and that's been fun. I actually really liked doing that. It hasn't been a chore at all. So I feel like that's going to take a while, and unfortunately, like as those upload, I'm not going to be able to like catch up with friends or anyone like in the normal life. So I'll probably catch up while I get all my chores done, so that way when I'm back in the hotel, I can focus on uploading everything and doing a little bit more editing. But I also want to take an ice bath, so I need to find like a 10-pound bag of ice, maybe at a gas station. I'll do that, massage out my feet, elevate, and see how many miles I'll do out of town. So those are pretty much my goals for town. Yeah, so we'll see. I'll show you when I get there. There's a little cemetery over there, and it's like the most green trees I've seen since I've arrived. Look at this cute little path. So close to town now. It's pretty much just like right there. So, yep. Cute. Whew, I just had a little over a mile road walk. Now I'm in Lordsburg. This is the econolodge that I'm going to stay at. There's the Motel 6 down there where I'll wash my clothes. I might eat at Cranberries. I don't know. There's not a lot of vegan options here, so I might just be like making random stuff from my hotel room. So yeah, this is pretty much the town, and then you walk under the highway down there, and then that's where the supermarket is and Dollar General. Checked in, got some goodies from the hiker box. Now I'm at my room. Let's see if it'll... This is the same room I stayed in before. Oopsies, that was kind of loud. Yay, I made it! Wow, I look a little crazy. Well, I'm gonna have some food here. McDonald's, first trail town food of the trip. Probably just fries.
Did you have the muffin?
Yum. First breakfast off the trail. I'm excited. This is the Family Dollar, or Dollar General, I don't know. But it seems to have a lot of stuff. We'll see. Yeah. I just went into that supermarket and got some food for the day. Going back to the hotel, I need to sort out my resupply before I actually resupply. Like, I need to sort out the food I already have. And I got an idea of like what's at the Family Dollar, which is over there, what's at the grocery store. Then I'll come back after I get an idea of what I have and how many miles I need to do. I'm wearing my rain gear and my coat, shorts, while all my clothes are being washed at the econolodge. Mother Hen, the woman who works at the front desk, is washing them for $5. So that's awesome. Eating Skittles, watching a few YouTube videos and relaxing after my shower. Laundry's all done. I need to go through my resupply still. So nice.